Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for William in West Virginia on the Ranger RCI-69FFB4. William, we got this beast ready to go for you, man. Our tuning alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, clarifier unlocked, amp on off switch on the back, you name it, it's got it. We'll start with RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug, 25 watts, just in case you decide to run like a 16 pill or bigger, you get full adjustability. We're going to hit about 140 on the carrier on this one. I'm going to show you average power swing. 250 bird average. 500 watt slug PEP. Watch it hammer, hammer, hammer. Alright, let's go ahead and put the 1000 watt slug in there. This one here is getting with it, William. 1000 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1-2 audio. Better than 600 watts. Alright, William. It's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoyed the Big Hammer Show. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.